Hey, I'm Chris, and thanks for joining me on this, which is the last video for this Aoshima LBWK Aventador build, where we get it all assembled together. So I do try and capture as much as possible, footage-wise, of me actually assembling it. I've sped most of it up 2 times speed, but I just need to figure out a better recording angle, because some of it you can't quite see, some of it I kept putting my head in the way, so I've had to cut bits like that out. But as you can see here, most of it is all laid out, everything's been painted, and it's all ready to be put together. So there is some bits that I've already assembled before this video. Obviously the interior was fully finished, and the wheels, they were assembled and connected, because obviously there's like a beam that goes across front and back with these swing arms for the wheels, where you can adjust the ride height and adjust the camber for the wheels, ride height of the car, whatnot, even after fully assembled. So there's not much to do regarding the chassis and running gear side of things. So for this I just wanted to put together a video just to see and try and capture as much as I could of just putting the bodywork together, really. A lot of it was just, you know, like clipped together, snapped together sort of thing, you know, pegs in holes, and it went together so well. Like, it's just, again, putting the wheels on, I didn't even have to use any lube to get those straight on. Jobs are good one. And you know, obviously the interior went together well. And as for the body, again, it's just a lot of it, like the side skirts, which you'll see in a moment. The side skirts, you know, with the pegs, the holes on the body, they just popped in. And you know, it was nice to work on a car body where I didn't have to stress too much. It just went together nicely, because I'll be honest, assembly is not my strongest point. I can make a few mistakes here and there. But yeah, it went together so well, and I'll be honest, this is my 75th build, and it's probably one of my favourite kits I've worked on, one of the best kits I've worked on. The kit quality, the kit detail, the kit fitment, there's just everything about it. It was absolutely brilliant. And as I mentioned, with the pegs and holes, just here you can just see, just there. So all the pegs and holes, if you did want to, you know, reinforce those with a bit of glue, you could have obviously popped the glue on there, because looking from the exterior, it's nowhere near in view's point. It's all the pegs and holes are, you know, very hidden, very well, and it makes for a much more enjoyable building experience. So again, if I didn't feel comfortable enough, if I wanted to reinforce that with a bit more glue, or a bit of glue, and then, you know, so be it. But again, a lot of these parts just clipped on, and it just made the build so much more enjoyable. And you know, it just makes it, you know, when a build's more enjoyable, I think it speaks results at the end. You know, there's less stress, and it just goes together much nicer, sorry. And again, I think the end results speak for themselves. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. I will just let you watch, and again, at the end of the video there will be the usual final spinning display stand video, and a few photos at the end. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy. And here we have it, the final appearance, final assembly of this awesome kit, this amazing looking car with these amazing looking paints. So a massive thank you to Aoshima for providing the kit. As mentioned earlier in the video, possibly one of the best kits I've worked on. Really enjoyed it, and I just think it looks fantastic. So again, Aoshima, thank you so much for this kit. And also a massive thank you to Street Blisters for providing all the paints and, you know, all the polishing, the flocking, everything, for bringing these builds to life. And you know, the paints are easy to use, and you know, just shake, pour, paint, and happy days. And it's since using these paints, I feel like it's really brought my builds along to another level. So you know, working on great kits, working with fantastic paints, I think it's really helped me achieve you know, a really higher quality of build. So again, thank you Aoshima, thank you Street Blisters, thank you so much. And to everyone watching, I hope you enjoyed. Like I say, there was bits I had to cut out because I bloody missed it, or you know, blocked the screen or whatnot. So yes, again, thank you for watching, and keep your eyes peeled for the next build. It's one I'm looking forward to. Again, thank you very much for all the likes, all the comments. I do read them all and respond to them all, and it is very much appreciated from each and one of you, each and every one of you, should I say. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.